So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about future retail share. So today you can see the stock has given almost 4 to 5% up move. We'll see the updates which were declared yesterday which has brought this particular stock into a very good mood, and also we'll try to find out the next set of targets on technical charts. So if you're new to the channel, can definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So we can see the yesterday update has come that Kishore Biyani's future retail averts default. So we know that the company has escaped from getting defaulted after the successful payment of 100 crore interest. So we know that the due date or the particular grace period was given to the company which ended on Monday, and the company has successfully done the payment. So we know that it was also requesting the lenders to set the amount so that it can pay within the stipulated amount of time, so that the deal which will be happening between the future retail and Reliance, which is almost around 25 to 27,000 crores, so that it happens successfully. And also we know that the future enterprises board meeting which was supposed to happen on August 22nd is postponed to August 28th, where the merging of the three entities, future retail, future supply chain, as well as we know that future lifestyle will be happening. So this particular update also I have mentioned in the Telegram as well. So if you have not joined the Telegram, you can join that as well. And we also know that the management has said that even the financial results also will be declared, and which was delayed due to this particular issue. So we can say that on 28th August, so when the board meeting will be held where the merging of the three entities would be decided, then the deal will be successfully happened, and after that we need to see how the stock will be reacting. So definitely further up move also will be seen. So we know that the personal debt which was present on Mr. Kishore Biyani on March 2019 itself, it was almost around 12,000 crores, but due to the Reserve Bank of India loan moratorium has given, we can say, a breath to Mr. Kishore Biyani. So we know that after the personal debt which was kept on increasing, so this particular deal will now try to reduce all his debt as well. So these were the major updates which were being declared yesterday itself, and also regarding the future enterprises board meeting which will be happened on 28th August. So these particular news has majorly affected the future retail price as well. So that's why even the stock has given a good positive move. So now we'll try to find out the volume analysis, and also we'll try to find out it on charts where we'll do the technical analysis. So when you see the volume analysis on 24th August 2020, you can see 37.3% deliveries percentage was seen, and you can see the traded quantity was a little more, and we can say little less only if we compare with the weekly average. So in weekly average the traded quantity was very huge. So we know that operator activity was very huge since last week after 20% upper circuit was seen. If we compare monthly average, which is almost around 37.9, and 6 months average is 49.2. So we can say little bit of traded quantity will be reduced after 28th August, so when the merging will be clarified. So when we see the indicators, we can see that the momentum of the stock is still present, and if we see RSI and money flow index, so they are completely in the mid range, almost they are above the oversold region. So completely if the stock again, if it starts showing momentum, then definitely it will go to the overbought region as well. It implies that it has further movement. So these particular sessions mainly till 28th August will be very crucial. So since even the market today it was flat, so even though almost so many stocks have corrected, so future retail has sustained the technicals, and also it has given upward move. So when we go to the technical chart, so this is the 1 day chart. So this was the particular support which was being respected very well since the past sessions itself. So when it has touched that particular level, I also made a video and updated the levels. So now next level or next support to be watched is the 119 support, which it is respecting very well, and also immediately next below that we are having a support of 111 where we have the 20 EMA as well as the 50 EMA. So these are are the two major supports for the company. So first one is the 119, after that we have the 111 level. So mainly it may not reach that particular level because the stock is bounded with good news. So mainly it may break the 120 rupees level, and next immediate target should be achieved. So you can see this is the particular another resistance of 130 rupees. So after the 120 rupees breakout, so immediately again 130 rupees will be achieved. So today you can see almost 119.20 is the current market price. So if everything goes well, then definitely the stock should show the further upward move. So actually I have not discussed the levels of future consumer. So in next video I will discuss the complete technicals of future consumer as well. So stay tuned. So if you're new to the channel, can definitely subscribe and also join the Telegram so that I'm updating all the levels. So if you're trying to invest, always I suggest that even though many good news are present, only put small capital of yours and leave it. So there are many shares, so completely diversify your portfolio. Keep in the small quantities in very, we can say, fundamentally strong stocks, so that in future you will have a very good profit. So try to follow the strategy as well. So understand. So I've given very good stocks, also told take solutions, I've discussed everything, so you can see those videos as well. So this is all about future retail. So these are the major supports as well as resistances. So if you like the video, definitely like and subscribe. So until then, take care. Bye bye.